Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make that crochet gloves and I hope to admire you. I will use wool yarn and hook number 3.5 millimeter as shown now. I will start the rest of the gloves. I will make round 1. I will make a slip knot, then make 11 chains as shown now. And turn and make single crochet into next 10 chains, as shown now. Round 2 to round 30, I will make a chain and turn your work. Then I work into back loops only. I will make single crochet into next 10 stitch as shown now, and repeat that until arrive round 30. I finished 30 rounds as shown now. To make that band to have the rest of that gloves, then I will bend that cord, then close two sides together with the sleeve stitches as shown now to make that cylinder. Now I finished closing that cylinder. Then I will make the palm of that gloves. I will start round 1. I will make a chain and make single crochet into every stitch around that band, then close with sleeve stitch at the end of that row. I finished round 1, then I will start round 2. I will make 3 chains as shown now, then skip next stitch and make shell into the next stitch. So I will make 2 double crochet into that stitch and make a chain, then make 2 double crochet again into same place to have that shell, then I will skip next stitch as shown now and make double crochet into the next, then skip next stitch and repeat making new shell. So I will make 2 double crochet and a chain and 2 double crochet into same place as shown now and repeat with same sequence across that row. Here into last stitch I will make 2 double crochet and make a chain, then then make double crochet again and close with a slip stitch into third chain from the beginning. Here I will have 2 chains besides other. I finished round 2 and I will start round 3. I will make 3 chains and make shell into the shell from previous row. So I will make 2 double crochet and a chain and 2 double crochet again into the space of the shell from previous row as shown now. Then make double crochet above double crochet from previous row as shown now. Then repeat making a shell into the shell from previous row and repeating with sequences across that row. I will repeat round 3 with same sequences until I arrive to round 7. I will start round 8. I will make the fan. So I will make 3 chains and skip first shell and skip next DC and make new shell into the shell from previous row as shown now. So I will make 2 double crochet and a chain and 2 double crochet into the space of the shell from previous row as shown now. Then make DC above DC from previous row. I made a hole for the thumb as shown now. Then I will continue repeating with same sequence across that row to finish round 8. And close with slip stitch to close that row. I made round 8 and made the hole for the thumb as shown now. I will continue making round 9. I will make 3 chains and make a shell into the shell from previous row. So I will make 2 double crochet into the space of the shell from previous row as shown now. Then make a chain and make 2 double crochet again into the space of that shell, and make double crochet above double crochet from previous row, and continue with same sequences across that row, then close with slip stitch. I finished round 9. I will cut our yarn and fasten off. Now I finished that gloves, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you immediately. Thanks for watching.